A man stands before a jury, insisting he is a good driver, a prayerful person, someone who would never hurt anyone. He admits the trailer door was open, admits children were inside, admits he panicked. But he says it was all a misunderstanding. Then the jury speaks, and their verdict changes everything. This is the disturbing courtroom moment from the Samuel Bateman case that has left everyone asking the same question. How did he think he would get away with it? Samuel Bateman sat in a courtroom, convicted of crimes he insisted he did not commit. When given the chance to speak, he delivered a rambling statement that raised more questions than answers. He asked the judge and jury to focus on the facts, insisting there was no proof he willingly or intentionally harmed anyone. He claimed he did not harm them and did not even have a desire to harm them. He described himself as a very good driver, someone who would not have put himself in danger, let alone others. He mentioned he enjoyed exciting things and would have trusted someone else to drive. But then his statement shifted. He described receiving a phone call that made him freak out, learning that fingers were sticking out of a door. He pulled over immediately, he said, and then got back on the road. He insisted his intention was never to get on the freeway because he understood the danger. But he admitted that when he saw someone walk out of a trailer, he assumed everyone else had done the same. He humbly asked the court not to consider the what-ifs, saying that line of thinking would never end. He then addressed the condition of the trailer, insisting the door was partially secured and latched from the bottom, making it nearly impossible to open. He argued the girls were not really in any danger, even if it might have seemed that way. He said he was totally unaware the door was open until he entered the freeway, and when he realized they were there, he panicked. He insisted he never wanted to harm them. He even said his whole life could testify that he does not like harming anything or anybody. He admitted what he did might have been reckless, but he did not feel it was dangerous. He revealed he was a prayerful person, always asking God to bless them before any activity. He addressed the bumpy camera footage, saying the roads are rough but you just slow down with a little brake and it is no big deal. He also claimed he did not use the restroom inside the trailer because he would not want to fumigate the inside with that smell. But then, the moment everyone had been waiting for arrived. The jury had reached a verdict. On count 1, the charge of child abuse in relation to Shirley Busline, guilty. On count 2, the charge of child abuse in relation to Gladys Johnson, guilty. On count 3, the charge of child abuse in relation to Dorothea Barlow, guilty. Each count was found to be a dangerous offense involving a dangerous instrument. The jurors confirmed these were their true and correct verdicts. The judge thanked the jury and excused them. Then he addressed the defendant directly. He revoked Bateman's release conditions and ordered him held without bond pending sentencing. The court set a sentencing date for August 25th. A pre-sentencing report was ordered. The defense attorney informed the court he would be out of the country, but Bateman was okay with a substitute counsel. The judge confirmed this, and the court was adjourned. The question now is, was Samuel Bateman truly a man who made a reckless mistake? Or was he someone who deliberately put others in danger and then tried to justify his actions? The jury has spoken, and they found him guilty on all counts. But for the victims and their families, the search for justice is far from over. As Bateman awaits sentencing, one thing is certain. His words of denial and justification did not sway the jury. The evidence spoke louder than his explanations, and now he will face the consequences of his actions.